Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin troubleshooting the fan issue on your HP Omen 17T-CM200, first, ensure that you have the necessary tools at hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to your laptop's components. Start by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel. Keep the screws organized to avoid any confusion during reassembly. Once the back panel is removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Focus on the cooling fan. Check for any dust buildup around the fan and the vents. Dust accumulation can hinder the fan's performance, leading to overheating and potential hardware failure. Use the can of compressed air to gently blow away any dust. Make sure to do this carefully to avoid damaging any components. Next, it's important to verify the fan's connection to the motherboard. If you notice any loose connections, reattach them securely. If the fan appears to be functioning properly but is still not operating correctly, it may be time to check the BIOS settings. To access the BIOS, restart your laptop and repeatedly press the F10 key until the BIOS menu appears. Once inside the BIOS, navigate to the Power or Advanced tab, depending on your BIOS version. Look for settings related to fan control. Ensure that any fan settings are enabled and set to automatic. Save your changes and exit the BIOS. If you still experience issues after cleaning the fan and adjusting the BIOS settings, it may indicate a deeper hardware problem. At this stage, if you feel uncomfortable continuing the troubleshooting process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get a clear understanding of the issue without any commitment to repair. If you prefer, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. This service ensures that you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. There's no need for calls or travel. We make the process as seamless as possible. After conducting these steps, monitor the fan's performance for a few days. If it continues to malfunction, it might be necessary to replace the cooling fan. If you decide to go this route, make sure to check online for the right model compatible with your HP Omen 17T-CM200. If you need assistance with obtaining the right parts or completing the repair, we can provide a quote before any repair is undertaken. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. If you don't have the tools or expertise to tackle this job, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We're here to help ensure your laptop runs smoothly and efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.